1 hour of podcast audio can cost you a full day of timeline editing, scrubbing, cutting, recutting. This episode shows a much faster way.
Okay, so that it matches the video that we've created. Now from here, we can start to edit down our footage. One of the biggest advantages of having this text here in Descript is that we can actually edit by editing the text. So we can see here at the start of the video, I say, all right, audio check, 1, 2. I can play it so you can hear it. All right, audio check, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's my quick little checks before I actually start presenting. I can literally just select on this text, just highlight it and press delete. If you've been looking for a faster and easier way to edit your videos, then you're gonna love this one. You can now edit your videos just like a text document by editing text. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna edit this part out so I can skip straight to this. And this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna show you how to use it and how powerful and easy it is, step by step using Descript.
So that's the core idea. Your footage becomes a document and deleting a sentence deletes the video. Here's what that looks like in a real edit.
Quick 3-minute and 11-second video of me talking on my balcony, and you can see that the entire video was actually transcribed, so that now I can go ahead and start editing it like if it was a Word document, as I was saying. So for example, if I wanted to get rid of this part where I say, the other day I was talking to one of my friends about how insanely powerful content marketing is, because you can essentially build so much trust with potential buyers. If I wanted to get rid of this part, I could just highlight it right here and click on delete.
Completely natural. All right, Descript AI feature number 2 might be my favorite, and it's called shorten word gaps. So I select the feature, and then I tell it anytime it finds a gap of more than 1 second, shorten it down to 1 second. So currently this video file is 14 minutes and 38 seconds. I hit shorten all. It removed all of the silence.
Advanced AI-powered tools like Descript. With Descript, you can literally edit all your videos just like if it was a document without needing to know any sort of super advanced editing techniques. Oh, and the best part is you can literally shave, in most cases, over 80% off of your editing workflow. So you can save.
Multiple creators land on the same conclusion. Most of the grind disappears, and the automation goes further than just cutting words.
The Descript AI video editing app has probably saved me hundreds of hours this year alone. And it's so easy to use that I hired my friend's daughter to edit my video podcast, and takes her about 10 minutes per episode to edit the entire thing. With features like Descript's eye contact and AI voices, this may be the best AI video editing app available. I'm gonna share
Hundreds of hours saved, and a beginner cutting a full podcast in 10 minutes. And text isn't the only trick. You can restructure footage and fix mistakes too.
Redone it, and then I've presented that section again. So we actually don't need any of this stuff here at the start. So I could select all of this, press delete on the keyboard, and it's gone. Now we also have the ability to select, to cut and paste, and to move these chunks of text, or really chunks of footage, around. And this is one of the features I absolutely love in Descript, to be able to edit your video down as you would a Word document. Log in remote to help you with your edits. Now probably one of the craziest features in here though is a new overdub feature, or AI voice correcting feature. So if you've made a mistake while you're presenting your video, while you're recording your podcast, you can literally delete that piece and type in a new piece, the correct thing that you wanted to say, and it will read it out for you in your voice that is generated by AI. This is going to help you dramatically speed up your video edits.
Worth knowing, the AI voice fix suits small corrections, not full re-records. So why does this workflow feel so different from a traditional editor? Try Descript free. It's the first link in the description, free to start.
This video will show you how to edit videos so fast using Descript. But most people don't realize they're using Descript like a traditional editor, and that's why it can feel difficult. Once you understand the ins and outs of the text-based workflow, editing will get ridiculously simple for you. Descript has been a total game changer for me, which is amazing. So we'll break down all of these together. Now, before we start editing, I want you to see what text-based editing really looks like. I can actually just highlight words,
taking you step by step
You'll notice here, I repeat myself twice. And so if I want to delete this, I can just highlight it and hit delete, and then it will take out that section of the video.
Every expert here converged on the same point. The transcript is where editing actually happens. That makes the pick straightforward. For cutting podcasts and talking head video, Descript is the best overall. You edit by editing text, and the tedious cuts vanish. My pick, try Descript free, first link below. Descript is free to try, so grab the first link in the description and cut something you've already recorded. Then decide for yourself if the paid plan earns its keep.